some tips on using the all-in-one product called the Weathered Wood Antiquing Gel. Great product, so easy to use. First off, got on my gloves, got my brush out ready to go. Got the 8-ounce jar of the Weathered Wood Antiquing Gel. I'm going to distress this piece a little bit, and then I'm going to put on weathered wood to tone, antique, seal, and protect this image transfer that we did on top of the all-in-one paint product. Paper or sanding block, whatever you have on hand. And this piece, as you can see, we did this right on top of Tea Rose the other day. And what I want to do is give this piece some detail, because this is a kind of in a vintage looking room, and this piece looks great and wonderful as it is, but I just want to show some detail around all of this gorgeous work in these drawers. You just brush it on, no fear at all. You can do this to your kitchen cabinets, you can do it to furniture, any piece you want to add that look to. And you do this, instead of waxing is not really a sealer. Waxing has all sorts of things that make it not so great to use on things that you want to, that durable, meaning kitchen cabinets and so on. Also, wax gets hot. It gets hot in the sun and you have to reapply it occasionally. So this product is permanent, doesn't require you to do any of those things. And it acts as a great way to seal stuff that doesn't require a top coat over the top of that. Now, you can leave this as dark or as light as we want, but I'm going to put it on here rather heavily by dampening this rag. If it's not coming off well enough, I can kind of move that around to get whatever look that I desire on this piece. I want to leave it kind of built up in the cracks a little. I also want to bring back the pretty design too. So again, it's kind of up to you and what you're working on. Here are the two. Hopefully you can see the difference in the two groups. Water, soluble product, cleans up soap and water. Just go rinse your brush out and you're done. And that's about it. So it took probably, just one dip in the brush. So I can probably finish this piece just for an ounce maybe.